are you doing, Kaylee? What are you doing? This is a video. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Say I'm decorating the tree with Mommy.
I'm decorating the tree with Mommy.
Okay, let me see you decorate it. Oh, that was so good. How old are you?
3.
When's your birthday? 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
You're doing such a good job. What are those?
Audience. Oops.
Good job. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.